Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see, and enter your phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on hotspot and click on personal hotspot if you want to fix this problem. So turn on personal hotspot. After turn on personal hotspot, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, click on my phone, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.